So we are having the new Lenovo K8 Plus mobile phone with us. I'll do a quick unboxing review here. That's the device you get. This Lenovo K8 Plus. Let's just open this. I'm keeping the device aside and let's see what's inside the box. You have a dual rear camera here with focus of f2.0 and the front with 8MP camera. That's the SIM ejection tool. Uh, Inside that you get the user manual and quick start guide. The warranty card paper works. The front camera also sports of LED flash, the party flash as Lenovo says. You get a charger here. So this is not a fast charger. That's a 5.2 volt charger. Let's see how much it takes to charge up the 4000 mAh device. And that's the normal USB cable. So fast charging is supported in this device, but the charger is not a fast charger. So let's see how it works. Now let's get back to the device. So the device is handy with 5.2-inch Full HD screen, and that's a dual rear camera. Let's just open this up and switch on the device. It's powered by stock Android 7.1.1. So this is the music button you saw just now. Let's just open the SIM slot. So you get a dedicated SIM slot here. So 2 nano SIM and a micro SD card can fit here. Let's just put it in. You have got a dedicated SIM slot. Let's just open this. You have a music button here which allows you to play music directly, or you can remap it to use any other features. Let's open the protector. As you can see, the stock Android with no preloaded Nougat 7.1.1 version. So a lot of bloatware is already installed here. Now let's just see the settings and everything. Load time is good. We're having some problem with the network connectivity here. So you get a 4000 mAh battery, which Lenovo says that will last for minimum of 2 days. You get the Google preloaded apps and Microsoft also. The camera is a good one. I'll make another video with the camera. That's a 13 plus 5 megapixel camera with f2.0. So that's a good quality camera. So the shutter speed is not so fast, but not so slow either. You get a slow motion button in the video, but not the fast motion. Let's just see the split screen option. Split screen is already preloaded here, so we can access that now. So that's it. It's a good one. Everything looks fine. That's a weather app from AccuWeather. That's a first hand unboxing. We'll make another video on it. You can swipe left to have the Google app directly. So that's it for today. Subscribe to our channel and like this video, please.